Hi guys, so particularly happy about doing this question 53. Um, we are looking at stoichiometry questions. This is the 53rd question, and we've been able to successfully do 52 before now. We're going to 100, and it's all going to be compiled in a file. So if you're interested, you can reach out via DM to get the file so that you can study on your own and practice stoichiometry. Sounds good, right? Alright, so this is question 53. Calculate the mass of HCl that completely reacts with 3 moles of magnesium, that's Mg, in the equation. Now I'm going to do this slowly so that you can follow up. We have our equation of reaction there, Mg plus 2HCl, and that produces MgCl2 plus 2H2, okay, plus H2. You need to check if this equation is balanced before you do anything, if it's stoichiometry you're dealing with. So Mg, that means Mg is balanced. Then you check your hydrogen, this is 2 here, and this is 2, so that's fine. Our chlorine is 2 and 2 here, so it's also balanced. That means this equation is balanced, we don't have to add coefficients. Right, now the next thing we have to do is to read the question again. We're trying to find the mass of HCl that should react with 3 moles of Mg. From this equation, we can see that 1 mole of Mg actually reacts with 2 moles of HCl. It's written here, 1 to 2. So if 1 mole of Mg reacts with 2 moles of HCl, and you have 3 moles of Mg, according to, this question, it's going to react with, let's say, X of HCl. And by the time you do your cross multiplication, the shortcut I usually tell students is this 3 here multiplied by what you have across and then divided by the number you have at the back. That gives you your X as 3 times 2 divided by 1. And that's just 6. So we have 6 moles of HCl. That's what must react with 3 moles of Mg, okay? Are we done with this question? Are we done? We're not done. It asks us to get the mass of HCl. Right now we know the moles of HCl. So we have to get the mass from there. And I hope you know that number of moles is mass divided by molar mass. Are you familiar with that? If you're familiar with that, then you can clap for yourself. And if you're not familiar with that, then we're learning it here today. The number of moles is equal to the mass divided by the molar mass. The number of moles of HCl will just be equal to the mass of HCl divided by the molar mass of HCl. Okay? And we know that the number of moles of HCl is 6. The mass of HCl is what we are asked to find. And then the molar mass of HCl is about 36.5. So how did I get that value here? I used the molar mass of HCl basically. And you can get that from the relative atomic masses of hydrogen, that's 1, and then of chlorine, that's 35.5. So when you add it up, you get the 36.5 I had over there. And then we can continue with this. So these people did not give us that in the question here, but if it's like your exam question, they should give you, or if you are supposed to know it, then you can pick it from the periodic table, right? So that's it. And then the mass is just really easy. We'll multiply. 6 multiplied by 36.5. And what should that give us? Is that 219 grams? So you can check that to show it is right. But yeah, this is the process. And if you have any questions regarding this, let me know and we shall find a way to help you quickly. Alright, take care. I shall see you in question 54. Let me know what you think about this in the comments, okay? Bye.